All right, hello subscribers. Good good morning. It's the morning time right now. So it's still the morning. It's very good. So I'm gonna cook food. Gotta get hurrying. But I actually gotta put these back in the freezer. I've been had them out. Alright, everybody gotta hold on for this vlog. Video vlog, video footage. So I like to put the heat on. So I know what I'm gonna do. Everybody's gonna see what's gonna go on. Ooh, but I only got a few sausages now. I only have like maybe 3. Aw, I only have 3. The other day I made my broccoli and I made broccoli. I made broccoli and sausage, like some frozen broccoli. I cooked it up. And then I had a sausage. Some of the sausage with it. It was really good. It tastes so good. But pretty much then I ate most of the sausage. Now I just have 3. So I'm gonna make extra waffles right now. I'll probably make 5 waffles. I'm so hungry. I'm not starving, but I'm gonna eat something. And then I have like lean cuisine food, or not lean cuisine, they're still. But I got 2 different ones. I have never had this chicken teriyaki, and then this one. I ain't never had it ever. So I wonder what it's like. So then I said, oh, what do I do? So right now that pan, I'm just letting it get hot and everything. So now it should be a little hot now. I'm gonna bring my stuff over here. I can have my stuff on that side, have my food on that side of the counter, or I can have it on that side. Like for like all my food, like gatherings for seasonings, it just depends on what will go on when I'm cooking. So yeah, like that's pretty hot. Look, I'm opening up the butter now. I don't usually ever do that. I put the sausage first. So now the pan is hot and everything. So I just do that so it's already hot. Because it takes a few minutes. So I'm just trying to, just do how I'm doing about it. So I just let those cook for a few minutes. So I'm just going to let those cook up. Like my waffles, I don't cook them right now. Could it maybe just be sitting and everything. So I'm just going to wait a few more. Like I'm going to do everything up. So that's what's going on. So, but this is my outfit I got on. Let's have on a sweater and my one night clothes pants. And then I put on the heat because it's cool in here, like in the house and stuff. Ooh, maybe I would take off my sweater. Now I'm hot. When I put on the heat, then I'm cold, or then I'm hot. It's alright. But at least now it's warm. Dang. Oh, God. Look at my big head. Look at me. But I like the other phone, like trying to do videos on there. I just put a video on their computer with the other phone from making on the other phone. But now I have internet back on this phone. So now I'm just gonna make video. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, look, the food is still cooking. So I have it up, so it's gonna cook up and everything. These was frozen sausages. But these is good. They's good. The one chicken sandwich I got from that was microwavable was really good. That was so yummy. So it's alright if I have the butter sitting out. But I'm just gonna close this. But the butter can stay out for a good while. It's safe and everything. Like I'm just gonna use my fingers a little. Look how good. So I ain't never showed these cooking up with the flash on. So they look pretty good. Cooking. They're still cooking. So I gotta think. I have everything for my pancakes and stuff, or my waffles. If I drink water, I'm just gonna drink water. Or drink Aquafina drink. So that's all. So then I'm gonna have it all together. I know what I'm doing. I have to like look out and stuff. This is not funny. I gotta put this down and stuff. Somebody can see the food like that. That is so funny. I didn't put the video in full. I got it in 9:16. What is... Wow. Look at the hole in my shirt. Yeah, I'm at the laundromat. Some of my shirts got holes in them. So I don't know what's going on at the laundromat. If somebody's washing my clothes. No, because my other shirt has a small hole in it. This is my Christmas one. And I done made the hole bigger right now. But the shirts are still good. It's okay. So like my food is like really actually doing a little different. I'm taking my time and everything. Like I'll show everything. But these sausages take a few minutes and stuff, I think. I don't know what it is. I ain't never done a video cooking them. That's all. That's really what it is. So what it is now it's time for them to, I'm going to turn up the heat a little. Because if I touch them, they's getting soft now. So I'll show you. So they's not like frozen. They's more so, but the color, I think these are different and stuff, how they have them. Because in the past when I've had these, they've not been that color. So, but these are done. Like, they're like cooking. So they're soft now. So now I just get some butter. So now I'm going to get my waffles out. I should have probably had my waffles out. So at this point, the sausages are almost done. But now it's actually going to take me 10 minutes to do all these fucking, So I put a good amount, but I still put more. So give me 1 minute. Alright, don't worry. So now I'm just going to open this up. So it's blueberry. They've changed the Eggo waffles. Now they have this long. They used to always have the stuff horizontal and everything. But now the smell for the blueberry is more out. So I like to get 4 waffles. I gotta hurry and stuff. I gotta put them in now. So I'm putting them in the toaster. Look. Somebody just gotta see it a little. That's it. I gotta keep moving it. I'm not trying to be bad or whatever. It's taking 10 hours. This is not fake. So, but I'm actually hungry. So I'm gonna do a 5th one. But 4 is good. But I am hungry. So now, like, the meat is, like, soaking in the butter and everything. But I turned the volume down. So now it's, like, really going to be soaking. But I'm actually going to do another coating because I'm letting it sit since it's been sitting. So I just dropped the temperature down so I don't have to rush. But I'm actually going to have to get these cooking. So what I'm going to do, I turn that up. So I'm just going to let those cook up. Thing under control. I know what I'm doing. See, but if I get around somebody and say, oh, I'm going to do this, oh, I'm going to do that, I'm about to do that, oh, yeah, let me get that. Somebody could go insane or not. Look how fat I've gotten. I look like I'm 300 pounds. Look how big the house is looking. Look how fat. Oh, look, I have a plate over here. So the food is cooking up and everything. This food gotta be done. I'm falling behind right now with this a little. Like, it's possible to do the vlogging while cooking, but this I gotta like focus with the timing and stuff for the for this sausage to be done. Oh, that scared me for real. Alright, so that's like soaking up and everything. I put even a little bit more butter. So look at these. So now somebody see me toast. Then I'm going to put these in the toaster. Oh, so now these in the toaster. Look what I'm doing. I'm like hurrying and stuff. Right, so that's, ooh, my voice. But I don't remember if I put butter on this side, but I'm just going to put some. So you see the flash is really showing how bright. Look how they's looking. But that gotta get cooked up more. I gotta hurry. So this is still cooking. Then I have to put these in the microwave. I'm not gonna rush off. Okay, the temperature is too shocking. You gotta just try to fucking relax. Ooh, but I like ranch. One time I put ranch on the waffles. That had to happen. But I must have had a ranch maybe from a restaurant. Could have been from a restaurant. Okay. Look how good. So this is the last one that's going in this toaster. So I'm just gonna have the volume down. I'm gonna eat them how they is like that. I turn it down a little bit more, but I still get them extra crispy. Like, it's alright, like I'm eating them. Look how good and everything. I'm trying to do it with one hand. I'm just gonna have to do like that right now. You see, like, that's a lot. Like, I gotta try to get it around. I gotta do it. Wait a minute. Alright, that's it. So now, I don't even know if I buttered that one. I don't know how much I'm doing. Or if I already did it or not. Hopefully the fire alarm don't go off. Look how soft those waffles got. So you see how they look so soft? Look. Ooh, soft waffle. Look. Ooh. But I put that much butter. That's good and everything. This last waffle, I might not even put butter on it. Oh, shoot. Oh, excuse me. So the food is done. I'm not gonna put any butter on this one. No, I'm gonna have to a little. I'm just gonna put a little. At least just on one side. I'll just do it on one. I done put a lot of butter already. So sometimes that happens. Sometimes. With how like the toasters and stuff I will do. So I have all these waffles. Now I'm gonna cut them and everything. They still really good. Ooh. I'm probably gonna eat them full like that. Or should I make small pieces? What I do, would just rip up. So it's in a triangle. I rip up all the soft, but then I have the edges. Then I just eat all the soft pieces up. But then I try to eat all of it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. This is what I used to do for years and everything. So when I'd make the waffles, it just take a few minutes. But I've eaten them like whole, then I've like mushed them up. I've done them different ways. Not mushing them, but like I just done different stuff a little. But you see, like these been sitting and stuff. I'm not rushing around. So you see now, it looks like I got a full. So look at all those waffles I have. So because like this stuff, like I'm not gonna put any more butter because the butter is extremely rich and everything, and I could still put more butter, but right now I'm not. So that's enough syrup for now, and then I have to put these in the microwave because I have to do that. But now I'm gonna take off these pants and I'm gonna put my shorts on because now my legs are warm. Oh, I gotta. Ooh, I'm getting hot now. Now I'm hot. Ooh, like I'm cold, then I get hot, then I'm hot, then I get cold, then I'm cold, then I get hot. It's actually like insane. I just gotta check this temperature. looks like really nice out. Alright, I gotta put the butter up first really quick. Look how big my head is looking. Watch out. Oh, I'm gonna close the blinds a little bit. Oops. Maybe I'll keep them open. It's kind of shocking. Alright, give me a minute. Alright, I'm gonna put these in the microwave. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Don't worry, don't worry. What am I thinking about? Alright, the food's almost done. I'm almost done. I'm ready to eat now. Hurry, hurry. Come on. Come on. That is good. Now all the food is done. Move out the way. That's a lot of syrup. So I'm probably gonna faint. No, like, you hear my laugh? No, like, I'm gonna see. Look, look, look. So then I have Aquafina drink and then this and everything. I'm not gonna rush to eat too much. But if I decide to get up, I'm eating at a little distance. I might not be super close. I want to show the food. Ooh, like, you see the crunch and stuff, crispy and everything. But it's still soft. Alright, hurry. I'm super hungry. And I'm like, realistically, I'm starving and stuff. So I'm just going to put ranch on a little of waffles. I'm actually so hungry. But I got to add more syrup. I just usually add just a little bit more syrup, just like thinly, not like such a heavy amount. I don't know if I should try to show the food or try to eat it. I like my waffles hot and stuff. I only got but a certain time span. Time limit before the waffles get cold. No, I just will probably just have to put the food back in the microwave. Ooh, but like look at the sausage and stuff. So now people done seen the pictures of the food. Now I'm just gonna eat the food. But I'm not gonna hold the phone. But the ranch on this tastes good. It's like savory and everything. I know what I'm doing. And like it's shocking. So what it is, it like hits my body and it fucking starts sucking on my body. Because the waffles is already sweetened. And then when I put the butter on them, I fluff them up and stuff. So then they become like fainting. It becomes more so like some type of soft, like little, like I just feel like plump. I can't move around. Because the sugar or the sweetness and the waffles is soft and stuff. I don't know how to describe it. But yeah, like if somebody does the internet stuff, they're gonna sound like they doing it and they're gonna act like that. That shit is not fake, and they're gonna seem like somebody trying to do the video. If anybody has certain thinkings or wonderings or something. Because I think that's what goes on. It just depends, I think, on the energy and what somebody's saying, if they're talking, or what somebody might be doing. So Aquafina water is good. Ooh. But like the food is like thick and everything. Well, it's just not fake. So whatever they got in their waffles and stuff, it's actually shocking. It ain't funny. But I just want to show these because I enjoy eating these. I've always had them. And then I like the sausages and they look good. I just want to at least show it on a video. Ooh, excuse me. But I just want to show it on the video. See, but these is good. You see how I have it crisp and everything? I just like that. I've had them like maybe not as crisp, but now I figured out how to like get them like crispy. But like good and everything. I guess they could still get like that even if I didn't put butter. But I just did put butter. You see, like, it's the taste of the waffles. It's become like, oh, like if somebody say, oh, if they eat sour candy, then maybe the sour candy's sour. But maybe that's how it is. These is not sour, but once it's done up, then it can become like, oh, wow. It's actually not funny. But these sausages is really good. They tasted really good when I had them with the broccoli. And the broccoli was really good. It was just so good. That was really good. And then I would make mashed potatoes and some vegetables. California blend vegetables. So that would be good. But I'll make that whenever. I don't know when I'll make those. Or make that food. Like, the ranch tastes good. I think one time I had extra ranch somehow, and then I had breakfast in the morning. Then I said, oh, move it. I'm going to put ranch and stuff. But it really does taste good. But the sausages is really good. They taste like nice and light, but they flavorful. But the flavor level is like light flavor, but giving it. But there's like just somewhere here where I said, ooh, like the waffles is really good. But these is the blueberry waffles. So, yeah. Let me drink some more water. All right. Yummy. Yeah, I just like the sausages. But that piece tasted a little extra, like, kicking, like, the tasting. But they are very good. So that was a good breakfast meal. I still have a little. I'm pretty full. So I'll have this later. So I'm going to cover up now. Oh, excuse me. Oh, pardon me. Oof. Well, that is gonna be that for this video probably. I'm gonna try to relax and everything. So I'm gonna upload this. This is gonna be a shorter video. So thanks to all my subscribers. Keep being good. And that's about it for now. Thanks for watching this video and continue to be good. Have a nice day. All right, see you later.